if you are looking for a portable power solution, this might be what you've been searching for. The Ego Power Nexus Escape. It's 150 watts. It's a power inverter. And this has been a game changer for someone like myself who, I'm already an Ego owner, meaning I already have multiple batteries that Ego has designed, part of their, for their lawnmower. I also own 2 snow blowers, stage 1 and stage 2, and I have various other tools that they have, a cultivator. What else do I have from Ego? A leaf blower, backpack leaf blower. I'll add links to a bunch of these items down below if you want to check them out, make some purchases, because Ego I love it. Years ago, was not a fan of like power tools and all this stuff, battery powered tools and battery lawnmowers and battery powered this, that, and the other. Now in 2023, 2022, 2024, moving forward, this is gonna be it, right? Of course, some people will still have gasoline. So you have the diehard landscaping companies who are like, nope, gasoline is always gonna be better. Hey, to each his own. Me personally, I love my Ego equipment, my tools, the batteries, being able to have them in my car and not have it all smell like oil and greasy all over the place. You just change out the battery, charge it, keep it moving. But now with the Ego Power Nexus Escape inverter, it's a game changer. If you are someone who happens to be, maybe you're going on a camping trip, right? If you already got some Ego batteries, again, this is clutch. Even if you don't, you can buy Ego batteries or come over here on Amazon, buy some, try some of the knockoff batteries that they have out here. I did have 1 or 2. Maybe I'll do a video on it. Maybe I'll do a testing as well, compare them. And they were fine. I didn't have any issues. But ultimately, if you already own, like I said, any Ego equipment, you have at least 1 battery, this is probably the one additional tool or accessory, that I would say you want to consider buying, like regardless of who you are. Because you might be someone I'm here in Boston, we get snow. If you're in Florida, you never get snow. So you never need a snowblower, right? Of course not. Although, who knows, the way the world is evolving and everything. But you get what I'm saying, right? But this will be beneficial regardless of where you are. If you're just at home and you don't even travel, this could be beneficial because you just want to make sure, hey, I have an additional kind of, again, a power source, a source of power that will kind of recharge my batteries or my laptop, my phone, whatever it might be, in the short term until we get the house power, electricity and whatnot back up and running. Of course, again, you do need to have the battery with it, so something to keep in mind. But as you can see, just reading some of the features and whatnot, it says power to charge 27 phones. Recommend for use with the Ego 56 volt 7.5 mAh ARC lithium battery. So there are 2 USB ports for charging. You got 2 you can use to power your phones, your tablets, your laptops, and much more. And it says it has 1 120 volt AC power outlet. So you can use it to power your TVs, your routers, your lamps, your speakers, and much more. And when used with a 7.5 amH ARC lithium battery, you can charge up to 5 laptops. And it says it powers when you want. You can use it indoors or outdoors. The Escape can even power a 42-inch TV for up to 10 hours when used with a 7.5 amH ARC lithium battery. And convenient compatibility. Use an Ego Arc lithium battery to power the Nexus Escape. And as I mentioned, the batteries are sold separately, but you can use the batteries with 50 plus different tools that they provide. So even if you were someone just in the market for this one, you're like, hey, I just need like a portable power supplier, something that would be good. Even if you just bought the inverter and the battery alone, you're putting yourself in a good position, because then you can go out and potentially buy one of the other tools that they make that might align with your particular needs. I'm a huge fan of this bad boy. as I mentioned. So I will include a link to the Nexus Escape if you do want to purchase it. So my friends, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, definitely smash that thumbs up button. I do appreciate you guys watching. And while you're down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. But if you want to see more tools or equipment or other unboxing videos like this, definitely consider watching this video next.